For the times what you do depends on what you have, you can use a switch case instead of multiple if statements. This function week uses a dictionary called switcher. It gets the day of week. Day 2 is Tuesday. Day 0 is Sunday. Day 7 is invalid. We can also implement it with a class. The indirect method takes a number and calls the corresponding method. Invalid is the default value. S is an object of class switcher. Indirect of 2 is 2. That of 4 is invalid. And number 1 gives us 1. IVR. Write a function that simulates the IVR, interactive voice response menu for a travels company. This is the menu. We ask the user for a choice. Then using a switcher dictionary, we return the string taking you to and whatever is appropriate. If we make a call to menu and select the third option, it prints taking you to inquiry.